So I've lived in northern Michigan the last 30 years, and when I use propane, it makes my life so much easier because it's delivered to my house. It never shuts off when I need it the most, and so it's very, very reliable. It works very consistently, and I never have to worry about driving to town for gas because I still have my propane that we always have in large tanks. I'm a science teacher, and when we teach science, especially when we get into some of our organic biomolecules, we like to discuss an application of it. And when we look at propane, it's the perfect fuel source to actually allow the students to realize what they use it for, because in northern Michigan, practically every student that is in a house has some form of propane that they use. In northern Michigan, we have homes that tend to be quite a bit farther apart than you would see in the city. And so if you're going to run a natural gas line, that would be very, very costly to install. So propane is an excellent source for fuel because it's not only environmentally friendly, but the EPA and the Department of Energy both rate it as one of the cleanest fuels of all the fuel that we use here in the US. And if you look at the Dixie chopper, it saves us quite a bit of money as well because it's almost $1 cheaper than the gasoline that we would have to go and drive to go get in order to fuel our lawnmowers. It's a very large supply with the US resource, and you can get it readily available and at a much lower cost. We've had this Dixie chopper propane fueled lawnmower for over 10 years now, and we've had very little maintenance issues as compared to many other lawnmowers we've been through in the previous years. And that is a beautiful device to let us actually mow the lawn for our apple orchard. So it's fast, clean burning, and it's readily available. And in northern Michigan, we don't always have an easy source to get what we need as far as our energy sources. And so propane makes life so much easier.